Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I'm here to do the flip through of the In My Kitchen cooking journal that we had a short series on, where we made the cover and we put the pages together. And so I just want to flip through. I am going to be listing it on Etsy. I will have the link to Took's CraftTable's In My Kitchen link for her kit if you're interested in checking it out. This is also this month's design team project for Took's CraftTable. But yeah, I'm doing a flip through for Etsy for the listing. So here we go. Let me measure it. So this measures approximately 5 3/4 by 8 1/2, and the spine is 2 inches. I haven't counted the pages, but of course the listing will have that information in it. It's got a beautiful cover, which is a digital from the kit, page from the kit. And it is a canvas fabric cover that I painted, and it's all sewn around. This is very lightly decorated. I am going to include lots of ephemera that the person who gets this journal will be able to decorate their own pages with it. I thought that would be fun to let them do their own cooking journal the way they wanted it, but I supplied a lot of pockets and things, as I know that is definitely needed for a cooking journal. So there is a tuck in the front, and I just put one of the little journaling cards from the kit in there. Here's a beautiful page from the kit. And then this is the snippet roll that we made together, and I just did a small embellishment from the kit, and I made pockets out of it. And I put another card in there. There are cooking book pages with some recipes throughout, and also coffee dyed paper. Here's another beautiful image from the kit. Here's the paper bag that we did together, and I also decorated it with book pages from the cookbook. Here's Napoleon rigatoni, spaghetti with tomato sauce, another beautiful page from the kit, turkey vegetable soup recipe, and this is split pea and ham and bacon soup. These pages are from my Coffee Dyed in Lace digital kit that I will also link below. I put in the center of the signatures a couple charms. There's a spoon, and it looks like some grapes. Onion soup with wine recipe. Then a couple recipes, mushroom soup and chicken vermicelli soup. Another beautiful page from the kit, seafood spaghetti, pasta casserole. Another bag that you can put stuff in, your recipes and things. Another beautiful page from the kit, or copy dyed paper. Here's a recipe for chocolate mousse. I love chocolate mousse. And black currant sorbet. And then we're into the second signature. Oh, and this journal does have 2 signatures. And here's another snippet roll pocket that I embellished with some fussy cuts from the kit. And here is a card from the kit. Baklava recipe. Mille Floez recipe. Another beautiful kit page. Chicken in a basket. I love that. chicken parcels. Looks yummy. Another bag that you can put things in, like your recipes and notes. This is the front cover. And then in the center here, I put a little knife, charm, and an apple. I don't have a whole lot of cooking charms, so I put the ones that I thought were appropriate. Here's another bag pocket. Lots of pages for journaling and adding belly bands and pockets and tucks and all kinds of things that I will supply for the person that gets this journal. They can make it their own. I love these Palmers. And here's another tuck that actually I will put a journaling card in. And so I made a little ephemera pack, and it opens up and there's 2 pockets, and in the pockets are the snippet roll pockets that I embellished. And then I thought these would make nice side tucks for the page. You can embellish this with the fussy cuts that I'm supplying. And then here are 2, they can either be bookmarks or you can use them as tucks, page tucks or belly bands even. Here are 2 belly bands from the kit that you can put in the pages where you like them. They all just fit in the pockets nicely. That. And then this pocket has a lot of little tags from the kit. Love this one. And journaling cards from the kit. Lots of journaling cards in this kit. I think these are vintage images. And then some recipe cards from the kit. You can write on the back your recipes. Then some big tags from the kit. And medium tags from the kit. And then some other tall tags from the kit. So that's all the tags and things that are in that pocket. They fit nicely in. Like that. It folds up. And there's some additional ephemera from the kit. There's little tea cards you can use to embellish the pages and the tags. You can make little tuck spots out of them. Some little tags. You can also use these for tuck spots. Some little cards. You can use for pockets, tucks, decorate the pages with it. And then the fussy cuts that I didn't use from the kit, I included it in here that you can use to decorate. Some other things that you can use to decorate the pages. You can fussy cut the images out if you want, or just attach it to the pages if you like. And then 2 little cards. 2 little cards. You can add paper inside and make little notebooks. Keep all your notes for your cooking in it, stuff like that. So all of this will be included in the listing. I will have the listing up sometime today. Thank you so much for watching. And I also wanted to let you know that we are, I believe, 4 subscribers away from the 1,000, the big 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified of the big giveaway and all the other upcoming videos that I have prepared coming up. So thank you again for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, be well, take care, and all that good stuff until the next video. Bye-bye, friends.